Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to install and download Apache Spark on your Windows 10 system. So first you need to do is go to the Java JDK 8 download. You need to download this and install this in order for the Spark to work correctly. So you can scroll down. I will mention this link in the description. You can scroll down over here and go to your preferred system and download the file. After you download it and install the Java JDK file, you need to install and configure the Hadoop, Apache Hadoop, in order for the Spark to work correctly. If you don't have Hadoop, you can just go to this link. I will mention this in the description and download the one file for whichever version you want. You need to download the file called as winutils.exe. Go to this and download the file. Now after downloading the file, you need to download Spark, Apache Spark. I'll mention this link in the description. You need to select a specific version for the Hadoop for which you want to download the Apache Spark. I downloaded the 3.1.3 version. You just need to select download Apache Spark. You need to click on this link to download the file. I've already downloaded the file, so I don't need to. So after you downloaded the file, you need to extract the file and copy it in the C drive, just like this. If you once you have copied the file, you need to go to this path and you need to copy all these files. Then next you need to uh, as a as you can see, I've already downloaded and installed Hadoop version 3.2.3. You can check out that video I've uploaded it on my YouTube channel. You can see that video. I have full guide step by step which takes you through the steps to install how to install Hadoop version 3.2.3 successfully. So after you have installed and downloaded Hadoop, you need to set the path variables for the winutils.exe and for the Spark also. You need to type in system environment system variables, as you can see over here. You need to click this. You need to go to environment variables. You need to set the Hadoop home path. You can do it by clicking over here and just selecting copy paste, copying this highlighted text. You need to click on new and type in Hadoop home and paste the path over here. I don't need to because I've already have it. You need to set the Java home and Java path also. I have also done this in my previous video, so you can check it out. So you need to set the path for the Spark home. You can do this by clicking on new, typing in Spark underscore home, and then you need to go over here Spark and you need to copy this and paste it over here, just like this. You need to press OK. I don't need to because I've already have done it. After you have done and set the path for the Spark home, to edit the path of user variables, click edit. You need to type in this underscore Spark underscore home percentage slash bin, and you need to do this one for the same for the Hadoop home. Press OK. Then you need to press OK again. After you have done it, you can just check if your Apache Spark is working correctly. You need to type in cmd, click on it, open it, and then type in spark hyphen shell. You just need to wait. As you can see, my Spark is working correctly. Version 3.1.3. So that is how you install Spark successfully. Thank you all, and subscribe and like to my channel also.